Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to shed light on important global issues. In today's video, we embark on a journey to explore the complexities surrounding the region of Palestine. From its rich history to the ongoing conflict, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of this contentious topic. Historical background. To fully comprehend the situation in Palestine, it is crucial to delve into its historical roots. We trace back to ancient times, exploring the region's significance to various civilizations. From the biblical times to the Ottoman Empire, we highlight the key events that shaped the land and its people. 2. The Israeli Palestinian conflict. One cannot discuss Palestine without addressing the Israeli Palestinian conflict. We examine the origins of this conflict, dating back to the early 20th century. The video sheds light on the competing national aspirations, the displacement of Palestinians, and the establishment of the State of Israel. 3. Occupation and settlements. We delve into the complexities of the Israeli occupation of Palestinian territories, focusing on the West Bank and Gaza Strip. The video discusses the building of Israeli settlements, their impact on the peace process, and the challenges faced by Palestinians living under occupation. 4. Jerusalem, a city of contention. Jerusalem holds immense religious and cultural significance for Jews, Muslims, and Christians alike. We explore the complexities surrounding the status of Jerusalem, the ongoing disputes, and the international reactions to its political situation. The role of international actors. The international community plays a significant role in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. We discuss the involvement of key players, such as the United Nations, the United States, and regional powers, and analyze the impact of their policies on the peace process. 6. The pursuit of peace. We shed light on the numerous attempts made over the years to achieve a lasting peace agreement between Israelis and Palestinians. From the Oslo Accords to recent developments, we analyze the challenges faced by negotiators and the prospects for a peaceful resolution. In the end, as we conclude our exploration of Palestine, it becomes evident that the situation is multifaceted, deeply rooted in history, and influenced by various political, religious, and cultural factors. By understanding the complexities surrounding the region, we hope to foster a more informed dialogue and contribute to the pursuit of a just and lasting peace for all parties involved. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the complexities of Palestine.